Hello everyone, welcome back to the second part of human excretory system. I know in the last video we learned so many interesting facts, not just about our human excretory system, but we also learned what are the metabolic and end products in different kinds of organisms. We also learned that there are more advanced organisms than us human beings who are having much better excretory products. So, if all of this is giving you curiosity, I recommend you to check out the part 1. And also to understand the concepts better, you should go through it once. So, yes, welcome guys, those of you have watched, those of you haven't, to the part 2 of human excretory system. And before I begin describing the human excretory part 2, I would like to introduce myself to you. So, my name is Aditi Goyal. I am a final year MBBS student at RUHS CMS Jaipur. I have been teaching biology from the past 5 years and have been a NEET educator as well. So, yes, let's talk about now kidney, internal structures of the kidney, internal anatomy of the kidney, right? So, let's talk about the renal pelvis. This is the structure I'm highlighting at. This is the renal pelvis. So, it's basically a broad funnel shaped space in the hilum. What are calyces? The projections of pelvis you see, they are known as calyces. Then there is cortex, the outer zone of your kidney. Okay, and the inner zone of the kidney is called medulla. Now you see there are projections in the medulla coming in, so it is divided into medullary pyramids which are projecting into the calyces. Calyces were the projections of the pelvis. Okay, so I hope you all have now a basic orientation of our kidney structure. All right, I understand, ma'am. Very good. So, now let's talk about the most basic, the smallest functional unit which your entire kidney is made up of. That is nephron. Do you know, guys, nephron is said to be the most advanced, most evolutionary advanced unit of your body. So, what is the structure of nephron? Well, firstly, you should know there are nearly 1 million nephrons per kidney. Yes, that tiny. And what all they are composed of? They're composed of glomerulus, this tuft of capillaries you see, that is glomerulus, and also the whole entire tube of the structure that is known as a renal tubule. Okay, now I see. So the two parts of a nephron in basic terms are glomerulus and renal tubule. Now, are there types of nephrons as well, ma'am? Well, yes, there are. There are two kinds of nephrons you will find. Firstly, there are cortical nephrons. Let's try to break down through the name only. Cortical nephrons. Okay, there is a structure in kidney in outer area which is known as cortex. So yes, the nephrons, the loop of Henle. See what looks like a loop? The structure of the tubule. So when the loop extends only into the cortex, then it is known as a cortical nephron. It does not extend a lot in the medulla. It's majorly there in the cortex. That is why we call it a cortical nephron. On the other hand, we have the juxtamedullary nephrons. Here they have a very long loop of Henle which runs deep into the medulla. And why these kind of nephrons are important? Well, these are very few in number as compared to cortical nephrons. They are literally just 15%, but they are responsible for the concentration of your urine so that you don't lose a lot of water in the urine. All right, ma'am, this is interesting. Cool. So now in the next video, we'll be talking about this glomerulus in more detail, the Malpighian body. But before you check out, I know you understood these concepts of nephrons so well. And if you are looking for a complete study solution like this, you definitely need to check out Pathshala. They offer one-on-one live classes, instant doubt solving, and premium study materials that cover all grades and all boards. It's basically like having a personal tutor in your pocket. To get started, just download the app using the link in the description box below. Search for the subject you want to learn and they will connect you with the best tutors in the country. Seriously, go check it out. The link is right down below. And yes, guys, I also want you to like, share, comment down all your doubts, all your queries in the video. And please keep looking for such videos. I will be coming with the entire series. We'll be talking about the remaining structures of kidney in here coming videos. I hope you are finding these videos useful and keep studying, keep learning. All the best.